What's up YouTube, this is your boy LETHABO Gold. Yet again with another video. Very first banger of 2023. So without any further wastage of you guys' time, I want to actually tell you guys that I'll be showing you, just taking you through the whole Durban vibe, because if you know that we actually moved, I'm not sure if you actually know that FX Gold office is actually moved to Durban. So I'm going to be just heading out to the office, and I'm going to actually also just do some analysis video for you guys. I'll show you NASDAQ this coming week's approach on NASDAQ, how I'll be looking at NASDAQ, because I'm expecting sales for the NASDAQ out throughout the week. So I'll be looking at the NASDAQ. I'll also be showing you the US30, and I'll also be showing you maybe what currency pair. I'll see what kind of currency pair I can show for you guys. So yeah, let's just get into it. This is called your mentor. So guys, before we head over to the office, we actually decided to stop by the taxi rank in town. As you can see, we're at the taxi rank, guys. So what we're gonna be getting this morning is what they call scorpo and pocho, you see. So we're gonna just be eating that. So that's what we're gonna be having.
So as you can see, now I'm about to prepare it now. The nicest meat you can get in Durban right now.
Yeah, that's one of the nicest street meals you can get in Durban. So we're gonna be eating this. After eating this, we're heading over to the office. So we have the reception area here. This is the other part of the office. This is actually the virtual room. This is where the recordings are done and the sessions are actually done. We have Toby see the goat here actually. How are you, bro? Are you good, man? How are you feeling?
It's good, man. Our signals people are eating.
The signals people are eating?
Yeah, I mean,
oh, you have something here for us?
Yeah.
You gave out a signal?
Yeah, the France 40.
France 40. This looks like GBP JPY. I remember GBP JPY 2 days back.
Yeah, it's also a cell, eh?
Oh yeah, it has a setup like
holding
this.
a beautiful setup, man.
What's this, France 40?
This is France 40.
Ooh!
This is the setup.
Let's do entry there on top.
You see this, number one.
Ooh!
There is the setup over there on the screen.
Ooh!
It's a beautiful one.
Oh, the setup is here.
Yeah, it's even completed right now.
Yeah, I was gonna ask, why is the setup complete and you're still
I'm
holding?
still
But you wanna take it to the
downside.
very end?
Yes. These people should join our signals group. Our signals group are eating. They are eating over there. Everyone is happy.
Oh, here's the students here.
Everyone is happy.
So when did you give out the signal?
We gave it last night.
Oh, okay. Can we see the signal when you give it out? This is mentorship?
Yeah, this is the mentorship.
Okay.
Let me show you right now. This is where we gave the signal. It's clean. It's a clean set. And we're still holding it. Yeah.
We see it. So this is the other part of the office actually. The whole team was in here not so long ago, but everybody's went for lunch actually. So when everybody's back, I'll continue filming. So we have Junior the Gold here. Junior.
Doing some analysis in here.
Some analysis. Physical classes are coming soon. This place is going to be packed with people coming here for the skill. So, without further wastage of time, of more time actually, let me dive into it. You can see that by the last part of last year, the last quarter actually of last year, market really fell down impulsively to our 10,600 prices over there. Market pushed and fell down again to the same price, making this a level of significance, very, very high significance. This area over here can show us that in future this is where market will be turning, just like it turned here and then it came back to do the same thing here. Market pushed up to our resisting prices, and then when we came back to the very same significant area, we actually painted out the W pattern formation. Market pushed up, gave us highs, lows, highs, more highs. And then if you move over your eyes to the left part of the chart, of which is here, let me just take this out. Market created this high over here. It painted this high over here, and then it was tested countless times even. So meaning that, let me just do this so that you can see something. Meaning that should market have broke above this resisting price over here, would be still looking for further buying positions, because we're still under, or rather we're still in a buying trend, right? So market only moves over to a seller's market after we break a level of support. Market broke this level of support, so now we're falling into this seller's market over here. So if I dive deeper to my H4 chart, you can see that market fortunately had its first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch of our supporting trend line. And then from this low over here, we were supposed to be breaking this high to get a new higher high, right? So what happened then? Market respected this high over here and the other highs that occurred. So what happened? Just market impulsed over to our sellers market, and then once breaking our overall bullish supporting trend line, we fell into a seller's market. So now what we're just waiting for market to do is just to correct over to these resisting prices over here, and then our sell orders, of which would be pending, our sell limit orders of which would be pending, are going to be falling into this trade over here. So that is what I have on the NES 100. So let me just move over to my US30 on my H4 on my daily, on my daily chart of the US30. I'm gonna just start by marking out this resisting price over here. You can see that market did what? Market pushed over to the downside, right? Created this level of resistance over here. We came to test the same level of resistance over here, and then if you can see with your naked eye, if we're still testing our resisting prices, it goes to show that we're looking at a level of significance, high level of significance. You can see that market is failing to break over to our buyers market. We're still under a seller's market here over here. So let me just dive over to my H4 so that I can find patterns, within this overall structure. So the pattern that I can find over here, let me just mark this out properly by doing this first. Okay, I wouldn't say this is 100% identical to what the NES 100 is doing, but it also kind of went to our resisting prices in a corrective manner. So if it went to our resisting prices in a corrective manner, we're looking for one of three things. First thing, what pattern do we have to be looking for sells, right? Because I mean, if market tested here and then it tested again and then we corrected, we impulse to the upside of the trend, one of three things may occur. We should be getting a pattern, of which can be either a double top or a head and shoulder, of which you can see this is a shoulder price over here, this is a head, and this is a shoulder. Market broke outside of our buyer's market, fell into a seller's market, and then went straight to our resisting price over here to show that the sells are valid, and then market fell, right? It completed our head and shoulder, so then it went back to correct the same area of resistance, meaning that this is a very significant area of resistance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to also mark this low over here. Can just mark that low over there, because if market comes back to complete this corrective wave over here, market comes to complete this corrective wave over here, we should be looking for further pushes to the downside, further pushes to the downside. But I just want to dive deeper into my lower time frame so that I can also show you guys further explanation of what we are seeing over here. So in our overall corrective wave, we have another channel inside here. This is what we call trends in trends, right? So we can see that market gave us an inverse head and shoulder. Let me just mark it over here. This is my shoulder, this is my head, and I have my other shoulder over here, right? So basically market gave me a shoulder, it gave me a head, and it gave me a shoulder. This is what we call a reversal pattern. So if market came from the upside going to the downside, giving us a reverse head and shoulder, we know that market is set to push to the upper part of the trend. So after this low, of which was successful, we had a high here, right? Another low, and we anticipated to have a high, but it failed to reach that high, mainly because market respected this area here of resistance, right? So what we're going to be doing, I just want to mark in my trends and trends, right? Just mark in my trends and trends over here. So after marking in my trends and trends, this is what goes to show me my further confirmations for sales, right? And then do you remember that low that I drew on the daily chart, this low over here that I drew on the daily chart? I'm going to show you how this low is going to become our area of take profit, right? So if we're about to enter the market where it's at right now, the current market price, with selling orders, we take the selling orders until that low over there, and then our stop loss, we're going to push it above this trend over here, so that if market comes back to break inside of this trend and retest, only then we can be stopped out, because we know that we then continuing with buying orders, right? So now our sales, we know that our sales are valid. This is what is going to show us all our targets, of which are our previous turning points, are going to be our take profits. All of these previous turning points inside here are your take profits. This is your take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and then you're going to just leave the market to scale into your take profit 4. So that's how we would be looking at the US 30 and the NES 100 for the week at large. So yeah, that's what I'm having right now on the NES 100. Feel free to give me your input and actually comment what you guys were seeing, if you're seeing different. If not, comment below in the comment section what you guys would also like to see in the next video. So for this video, I'd be wrapping it here. Thank you for your time, thank you for your patience. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe the channel. And if you did like this video, please drop a thumbs up and drop a positive comment. This is If It's Good, your mentor, and I'm signing out.